yun nilagay?
Kinain.
Hindi mo kakin.
They're so cute and cuddly. Ah, not me, not me, not me. Meow, meow.
Kung bitawan mo yan yun.
Yeah. I'm fighting my
Yung isa
way.
makulit ang ito.
Meow. No. I'm just videoing you all. I'm not supposed to your toy. So cute and cuddly. Your coffee. So glad you're outside. Better for our kittens. Ahem. Are you sneezing, little one? That's their mom.
Para may paglipangan sila.
Hindi, tumitingin eh. Dahil sa tsinelas ko, sumusunod minsan. That's the three of them. Where?
Na kay mami.
Oh, they had a toy. Awesome toy there. Sweating. They're playing with it like a boss. While they're having fun, let's look at the mom. There are the three of them. All their combinations are from the mother. There's an orange one, a black to gray one, and like the mother, white, orange, black one, which I prefer, but they're all cute. Extremely huge tail there. Extremely short tail. Extremely long tail. Medium tail. And their toy. It's a little piece of rope, I think, with some beads on it. This is the mother and her breast. They really love to play. Oh, so
Nilalaro nila Dre.
yes.
Cute. Tumatayo.
Yep. They're so cute and cuddly. Cuteness overload. And that ends my video of our 3 cats or kittens and their mom. Peace out.